This is hot. And my regular test leads. Yeah, that's hot, so it's supposed to be in the open position, no continuity. Alright, let me just get that out the way. And then check the winding on the compressor. So I'm going down at the first pin there. And